So the very first recipe that we are going to do is prepare the natural lozenge, which is the key ingredient of any cough and cold syrup or the tablets or the toffee that you find, which claims to treat the cough and the cold. So the key ingredients are the purple basil, ginger, a little bit of peppercorn and honey. So one of the way you can peel ginger is with the spoon rather than trying to take too much out with the knife. I would just show you a very easy way to prepare ginger is to scrape it off with the spoon, and this will allow very minimal wastage. Otherwise, while cutting with the knife you waste a lot, and you will see that this will peel perfectly. Plus you get the beautiful aroma of the ginger roll which started to come now and permeates our finger and hand. So after we have peeled ginger, we are going to slice it. So in case you're not able to withstand the pungency of the ginger, you can make them into juliennes also, which is cutting the slices very fine in the mastic shape, and after juliennes we can chop it further, what we call as mincing. So that's the groundwork, or what in our kitchen language we call the mise en place. So now we are going to take the purple basil. So you can use this recipe 3 or 4 times in order to fight the cough and cold and the bad viruses in the air and the other places. Ginger also helps to treat the flatulence, sustain the digestive fire we call as the Pachak Agni, while basil, as you know, has the anti-inflammatory properties. It also has antioxidative properties, and together they combine as the potent element to prepare the body to fight the seasonal flus and changes of the season that occur. So we take the leaves and we put the ginger on top. So ideally you should be consuming 3 to 4 pieces at one time, and as I said, 2 to 3 times a day would be the good time to do that. So after I have done that, I am going to take the pepper and some honey. So let's grind some pepper on the leaves. And honey also. So this is the raw honey that we get from the farm. So the bee is called Melipona bees. We keep the honey like this. The raw honey is one of the best way to consume honey. It has all the properties intact. With the raw honey you can also fight the infection of or the allergies of the pollen and the dust. 2 to 3 times a day you can combine equal amount of honey and vinegar, and this will help to ease off your symptom arising out of the pollen and the dust. And voila, there you go. So this is what you do, is that you take them and 2 to 3 pieces, you just eat like this. You may feel the pungency of the ginger, but that's very good for the throat infections and your digestive fire. So I'm consuming 2 pieces and I'm leaving 2 pieces for Catherine, and she'll have it later.